Yeah.
So in this plate you are seeing the process of cleavage that happens in the first week of gestation. ठीक है? So this is 2 cell stage, this is 4 cell stage, this is 16 to 32 cell stage, which is bounded by this red line which is known as zona pellucida. So here you will study the zona proteins and you will study that which zona protein has the affinity to prevent the polyspermy. ठीक है? That is actually ZP3. ठीक है? सिर्फ ZP3 का ही काम होता है. ठीक है? एक बार देख लेना. And these are also your stages of, these are what? Embryo development. ठीक है? So here this is the blastocyst. So in this blastocyst you can see this is a cavity which is known as blastocele, है ना? And here you can see this is the inner cell mass and this is the trophoblast. So now coming into the second week of, this is the first week of development. Then within the second week of development, so this is still your blastocele, ठीक है? And this is your cytotrophoblast, and just imagine this is your syncytotrophoblast. ठीक है? Now the trophoblast has been differentiated into 2 layers, cytotrophoblast and syncytotrophoblast. ठीक है? And again inside also this is the epiblast and this is the hypoblast, and this is your Husser's membrane. Husser's membrane. So these Husser's membrane are nothing but the migrating cells from the hypoblast, ठीक है? Which will form later on the extra embryonic mesoderm. ठीक है? The extra embryonic coelom बोलते हैं जिसको. ठीक है? So see, I have already given you this diagram. ठीक है? So इसमें तो इतना अच्छा नहीं दिया है. I think here you have. I have shown one more diagram. जो तुम लोग देख रहे हो ना उसका भी एक होना चाहिए. इसका भी मैं बनाया तो था लेकिन पता नहीं चलो. This is actually a 2 cell stage. ठीक है? Second week of fertilization is also known as week of 2. तो वही यही बता रहा है. ठीक है? In which the trophoblast is been divided into cytotrophoblast and syncytotrophoblast. Then the cell will differentiate, that is the epiblast and hypoblast, with 2 cavities. This is the amniotic cavity, this is the yolk sac cavity, and these are your formation of your excoelomic cavity you are saying. ठीक है? तो ये अब बन रहा है. ठीक है? Now this thing will again divide into 2 layers. This inner one is the somatopleuric and this is the splanchnopluric. That is these are nothing but these are the layers from the trophoblast only. Tropoblastic cells जो होता है वो 2 लेयर में डिवाइड हो जाता है ना. Somatopleuric and also extra embryonic mesoderm that will divide into somatopleuric and splanchnopluric. ठीक है? यही बताया है इसमें. ठीक है? So this is your first week of development and these 2 are your second week of development. ठीक है? एक बार बाद में देख लेना.
दोनों सेकंड वीक का है.
हाँ, दोनों सेकंड वीक का. और ये वाला डायग्राम तो तुम लोग को मैंने दिखाई दिया है. ठीक है? इससे अगेन ये भी सेम ही है. दिस इज द डे 15 ऑफ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट फॉर्मेशन. तो इसमें क्या हो गया है? ऑलरेडी इम्प्लांटेशन हैज अकर. ठीक है? सो दिस इज यूट्राइन एपिथेलियम. ठीक है? दिस आर ऑल स्ट्रोमा. ये जो दिख रहा है दिस आर द स्ट्रोमा. दिस आर द मैटरनल साइनोसॉइड्स विद blood vessels, blood cell, filled with blood. ठीक है? Now again this is your columnar cells, this is epiblast, the cuboidal cells, this is hypoblast, this is the amniotic cavity, this is the yolk sac cavity. ठीक है? These are your extra embryonic mesoderm. ठीक है? Then this is your cytotrophoblast which are defined with well defined nucleus and borders, and this is your syncytotrophoblast. ठीक है? And now you see here there is invagination of maternal blood vessels into the syncytotrophoblast. ठीक है? And can you see here this, इसमें तो इतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है. So normally now you will have this formation of primary, secondary and tertiary villi. ठीक है? जो हम लोग इस वाले स्लाइड में देखेंगे. ठीक है? So this is the cleavage का. This is the first week of development. These 2 are the second week of development, which is otherwise known as week of 2. ठीक है? इसमें just formation हो रहा है, but it is a complete second week of, that is the formation of bilaminar germ disc जो होता है. ठीक है? Then this is your day 15th of implantation. ठीक है? ब्लास्टोसिस्ट हो गया, इम्प्लांट हो गया सारा कुछ. ठीक है? Again now this will result. Now ये क्या हो रहा है? Maternal sinusoids are coming into the syncytotrophoblast into the fetal side. ठीक है? Now they will result in the formation of your villi. ठीक है? So here you see there are there are 3 villi, है ना? So this is your formation of primary villi. So primary villi is nothing but when the columns, when the syncytiotropoblast, it is surrounded by, when the cytotropoblast, it is surrounded by the columns of syncytiotropoblast. This is known as primary villi. Then when there is invagination of mesoderm, then it is known as secondary villi. And when this is again invaginated with blood vessels, this is known as the tertiary villi. And this is the chorionic plate and this is the decidual plate. Okay? So this is the fetal side and this is the maternal side with the maternal blood vessels which will come into these spaces which is known as the intervillar spaces. And by the diffusion there will be the exchange of the any substances or the materials.